Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and traditional quesadilla bread from my beautiful El Salvador that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Cold mornings are here and I am ready to show you the ingredients for this amazing and fluffy, delicious quesadilla. These are my ingredients. 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, sesame seeds, requesón, Salvadorian sour cream, 4 room temperature eggs, 1 cup of regular milk at room temperature, 1 cup of unsalted butter, vanilla, Mexican vanilla extract, 1 cup of rice flour, 1 cup and a half of granulated sugar, 1 cup and a half of all-purpose flour, and of course, the star, the non-stick baking cream that you already have on my channel. Let's make and let's enjoy this amazing and delicious quesadilla bread made at home with lots of love. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is show you the non-stick baking cream. You need to make it. You have it on my channel. When you put it on your baking dishes, nothing sticks to them. So I am going to show you how I'm going to cover my baking sheet with this amazing non-stick baking cream, homemade, made from scratch. I'm gonna reserve it, and now I'm ready to start making this amazing mixture for our quesadilla. I am using 4 room temperature eggs. Remember that everything needs to be at room temperature so your bread, your goods come out so fluffy and so delicious. I just added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I am going to incorporate it really good. Once it's incorporated, I am going to add the requesón. I am going to mix really good. I don't want clumps of the requesón. Once this is incorporated, I am going to add the Salvadorian sour cream. This is what gives the bread such a delicious and amazing flavor. Let me tell you, add your milk, add your butter, and whisk away. Now I want to show you the texture. You really want all the ingredients to incorporate before you start adding your dry ingredients. Look at the texture. You don't see those big lumps of the requesón cheese. So I just mixed away, and now that everything is incorporated, I am ready to start adding the dry ingredients. I'm going to add the sugar, incorporate it really good. I'm going to add the rice flour, incorporate it really good. And now I am ready to add the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, the pinch of salt. And let me tell you, once you make this delicious and fluffy, amazing Salvadorian bread called quesadilla, you are going to continue enjoying it with your beautiful family. Mix it very well. You don't want any lumps. And once this is done, let me show you the texture. The mixture is not runny. It even looks nice and fluffy. And let me tell you, this quesadilla comes out just delicious, amazing. I am ready to pour it to my baking dish that's already nice and greased. I'm going to add it in here, level it really good, trying to level it really good. And don't forget to add the sesame seeds right on the top. The sesame seeds are going to give this quesadilla such a nutty and delicious flavor. By this time, I have already preheated my oven, 350 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven uncovered for 35 minutes. Remember that every oven is different. You could add a little bit of the sesame seeds on the top, or just be very generous with your sesame seeds like I am. I really love the nutty flavor that it gives this amazing and delicious quesadilla. Once you have everything here, let's put it on the oven and I'll see you 35 minutes later. It's golden brown from the top. The aroma of the quesadilla has invaded my home. And once it comes to room temperature, I am ready to flip it. Look at this. Look how easy it is to remove it from your baking dish. Now, of course, I am ready to slice away and enjoy it. I want to show you how fluffy it is. The texture just amazing. The sesame seeds on the top gives it that nutty and delicious flavor. And look how fluffy this is. You could even pull it apart so easy. And the aroma, oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy it. And let me show you how fluffy this is, how moist it is. This is what I enjoy with my beautiful family. When winter comes, when the mornings are nice and cold, this is what I love to enjoy with an amazing café de olla. Let me show you the texture of the bread. You pull it apart, it's like cloud. It's really fluffy, really delicious. The aroma of the sesame seeds. Oh my God, I'm really transporting myself. I really want to enjoy this amazing quesadilla. But first, I want to make my coffee. I really want to enjoy this quesadilla with an amazing hot and delicious café de olla. I added a little bit of the instant coffee of café de olla. I'm going to add some hot water. I'm going to mix it really well and then add a splash of milk right on the top. This is when you know that you're really going to enjoy this amazing quesadilla with a delicious café de olla. I am ready to enjoy, so I'll see you in just a little bit. Enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing Salvadorian quesadilla. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So moist, so fluffy, just amazing. When you bake with love, everything comes out delicious. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing Salvadorian quesadilla bread. Like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this amazing Salvadorian quesadilla. See you on my next amazing recipe. Excuse me. So delicious.